How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I want to show or share with you some information on a new tool. This is the Pro Tuning Driver. A friend of mine, Billy Fisher, makes these, and we are now carrying them through the Drake Racing. So there's going to be two options available. It'll be the handle only or the complete driver. So initially it's going to be just the handle, but you can use a tuning driver tip or flat blade tip from your current tuning driver, anywhere from a 3 to 4 millimeter shaft. 4 millimeters is what's recommended, but you can use down to a 3 millimeter shaft, and you'll just set screw that shaft into place on the handle. So it's super lightweight. It has a carbon fiber tube that looks really cool. It's really trick looking. But the main feature, or what separates this from other tuning drivers, is it has 3 LED lights. So on the end, there is a push button that then turns on the 3 LED lights and just makes it really, really easy to tune an engine at night. If you've ever pitted for someone and they need a small adjustment, whether it's in pit lane or on the starting line, you know how difficult it can be. You basically have to flip the body inside out, trying to get light inside the body to be able to see and adjust the needles. That's now, that problem has now been solved with the new Pro Driver from Billy Fisher. So this is going to be available as soon as this video hits. It'll be available through the Drake Racing with handle only, and then eventually it'll be available as a complete set, the full driver with handle and tuning tip.